Welcome D-Lab everybody. UPS was just here and dropped off this box that came all the way from California. It weighs 62 pounds. Dimensions are about 21 by 16 by 16. So what could be in this box? Is it a big ham radio? Maybe a guitar amp? Or perhaps cannonballs? I don't know. But you get to see it as I open it. So it appears to be very well packed. A megaton of bubble wrap. And there's your first clue. Black wrinkle finish. I had to flip the box because it was laying on its face. Here she comes. Any guesses yet? What a beauty. There it is. A General Radio signal generator, model 1001A. In pretty nice shape. I hear something loose inside, which I'd expect from the trip it just took. But I'm going to be doing some cool videos featuring this generator. Alright, here's a close-up of the General Radio model 1001A signal generator. It covers 5 kilohertz to 50 megahertz. It's got this beautiful vernier tuning system. Switches all operate. It's a good sign. She didn't get beat up too bad. Back in 1949, this sold for $600. So how much is that in today's value? So when I saw the pictures, there was this funny hatch on top of the generator. I wondered if that was access to maybe tubes. Nope. It's access to the probes. It's all in there. Bonus. Alright, I popped it out of the cabinet. When I pulled the chassis, this thing smelled like an old military piece of equipment. It had that fancy odor. It really looks untouched. I pulled the screws off. A little RF cavity. Oh, I guess that's not how you view it. Okay. So anyway, I need to take it apart, look at everything, and carefully bring it up on the variac just to make sure it will power. But the power supply section has some filter caps, and I will definitely be changing them before it's used for any extended time. Alright, I found that all I had to do was pull that cover, and off she came. Very unique construction. Here is the band selector turret. Isn't that cool? So let's ensure that this guy will at least power up. So I'm on a variac. This is my voltage. Here's my current. We're not going to go up very far. Just want to make sure there's some signs of life, and there is the filaments lighting. So that's all I'm going to do at this point. At least I know the transformer is alive. I did notice that the glass is loose on the meter, and that needle is pegged over to the left. I thought, no, don't be bad. So taking an ohm meter, the meter does deflect. Thank God. So when I saw this generator for sale, I knew the reputation of General Radio and HP back in the day, and I just had to have it to do alignments on classic radios here at D-Lab Electronics. There's more to follow. Hope you liked it.